Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you manage the recording settings in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on them. And after doing so, you should select here the 4th option on the list, which is settings. And here you will find the last option on the list, which is recording. Press on it. And the only setting that you can manage here is automatically record outgoing sessions, and you can just press on it and that way you have activated. And if you don't want to have it activated, you just press on it once again and it will not be activated. Either way, if you go back, you can see that the change that you have made will be saved, so the change is automatic. You don't have to do anything basically. For example, you don't have to press anything specific like a save button or something. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.